Happy 25th anniversary, Quinte West.
I need my camera.
Hello. Can you? Oh my hat.
Take your hat off.
Yes, we come every year to Frankford Riverfest, and it's the unofficial kickoff of summer.
The good time, it's good right here.
We're live in the Frankfurt Tourist Park. And this is May 21st, 2023.
You should have hot dogs.
They say 25 years of Quinte West, but Riverfest has been going much longer than that. When it was the village of Frankfurt.
Riverfest.
We love the fireworks lighting up the sky. And we're here with Mom and Dad and Josh and Ginny stopped by. Miss everybody else. Hope to see you soon. Love you all. It's hard to catch every bit of the fireworks action. I'll zoom in a bit. Wow. Last night, the festivities were unfortunately rained out, but there was a DJ dance party tonight and the fabulous fireworks. So, thank you to Quinte West, Mayor and Council for rescheduling this annual tradition. Always looks like stardust, doesn't it? You enjoying them, Josh? They are. It's nice to come back to our adopted hometown too, as our grandparents and our parents lived here, and our uncles, and our aunt has ties with Quinte West too. May this be the beginning of a beautiful, blessed summer season when it arrives, officially next month. And may the best be yet to come. We look forward to sharing it with all those we love and seeing everyone soon. This is the Other Side Media Group reporting and doing the video. Hope our family, friends, and extended family have a safe and happy and joyous long weekend. Happy Victoria Day! Victoria Day. And now we have witnessed the next story with the royal family and the coronation of King Charles just a few weeks ago to take over for his late mother, our former monarch, Queen Elizabeth II. But this is for Queen Victoria's and Victoria Day, that it always has been known as on the long weekend. Fantasy in the sky. Happy birthday, Quinte West. What a show, and there's more. Wow. Listen to that crowd of approval. And so ends the 2023 Frankford Riverfest fireworks at the Frankford Tourist Park. I'm Jeremy T. Davis, narrating along with Josh and the family, and the Other Side Media Group was proud to be here. And have a great night, and cheers to summer, and many more good times to come. We will see you soon.